All right, in this video, I'm going to talk about sum, sumif, and sumifs. So I've already got this, my sum, right? And the way I use that formula equals sum, open parentheses. I can drag down and highlight these. Another way of getting there a little more quickly than typing is go up here. We have our auto sum function. You can see there's quite a few functions in here. That's another way to get to our function menu. But you can click the auto sum, and that will highlight everything above it and give you the answer for that. And then we have, so that's our sum. So we've learned sum, and then we have sum if and sum ifs. So sum if is if something is true, we sum that. So for sum, we're just adding all of them. For sum ifs, so let's say we want to know everything that is red. So I can do equals sum if, open parentheses, and if you're not sure about a function, you can open that. The range of the cells you want evaluated. This tells me the function adds the cells specified by a given condition or criteria. And if you need more help, click on this. So the range of cells we want evaluated. So that is going to be the color. And then the criteria. We want everything that is red. And then the sum range, highlight all of that. So what this is going to do, it's going to look for all of the red ones. So it's going to red, add the 12, red, add another 13, red 5, so on and so forth. Now, it looks like we've got an error there. Let's see if we can figure this out. Because we have a comma in there. Comma and a space. So there you go. So you can see now we have everything that is red. Now if we want to do that a different way, we could click on this, and you can see it's the same thing. So then maybe we have green and blue. And if we grab the autofill handle and drag down, there you go. And if we want to double check our math, we have 82 red, 81 green, and 80 blue. All right, now let's do sum ifs. So sum ifs are multiple ifs. So let's say that we wanted all of the red ones that were sold in quantities that are greater than 10. And we wanted the sum of all of those. So we would use equals sum ifs. Again, if we're new to a function, I recommend using the fx. So the sum range is the range we want summed. And then the criteria range, so we want color, and we want criteria range 1. Criteria 1 is going to be red. Criteria range 2 is going to be this, and our criteria is going to be greater than 10. So we have a total of 64 red sold greater than 10. And that is sum ifs. So this will hopefully get you started on this week's homework.